How to scan an email document on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the new Note icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, a keyboard will pop up. Then, tap on the paper clip icon located just above the keyboard. From the menu that appears, select the Scan Documents option. This will open up your camera. Position the document within the frame to scan it. Once the scan is complete, tap on the Save button at the bottom right. You can view the newly scanned document saved directly in your note. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the Share icon as shown. In the Share sheet that appears, go ahead and select the Mail app. An email draft opens with the scanned document attached as a PDF. After that, tap on the arrow button at the top right to send the email. Following these steps, you can easily scan and email a document on an iPhone.